guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I'm going to be doing a review and lip swatches of these micro mini liquid lipsticks from the brand Lamuseland. And this is their mini demo set and it's long lasting matte lip gloss. So this set you get 12 colors and it says here natural delicate expression possible by soft touch, a velvety smooth lip balm bursting with jojoba oil that magnifies shine for a deep moisture feeling that glides over lips. Light pink color shimmers and twinkles to exhibit your natural inborn beauty. Okay, it just fascinates me how more and more brands are coming out with tiny makeup products or like even sample size makeup products. I'm just so into it, and it's probably because I just have so many makeup products. I have a massive collection of makeup, never really get to use up any products until it's finished. That is why I love sample size, because you can test out a sample. If you like it, you can get the full size, but this one I got it just because it's so cute. So this is how the box looks like. You can see all the colors inside, and then at the back it just says the ingredients, and then one of them is mineral oil, some of the few ingredients that I am aware of: beeswax, synthetic candle wax, lanolin, it also has seed butter, propyl paraben, something like that, and it's going to expire 2023. So this is good for 4 more years. So that's nice. The reason why I like this is because it actually has a variety of colors to choose from. I'm going to show you guys all the colors now. So I really like that it came in a small box like this, and you actually get 12, which is great because then you can have so many colors to choose from. Okay guys, so here are all the 12 shades and I'm going to be swatching this. It has so many fun colors included. I'm surprised that it actually has only 3 nude colors. Also recently just did a review for this one. This is the Lamuseland long lasting matte lip gloss, and this is also a mini demo set. It only comes with 3 shades, and all the shades that are in here are already inside the 12 piece set. So actually you get more value for your money if you get this one, the 12 colors mini lipstick set. I'm just gonna show you guys the colors. So we're gonna start with the nude shades first. So here are the nude shades. You also get 3 red liquid lipsticks, and these all look so similar, but I feel like this is the darkest, but just a tad bit. And you also get 4 bright dark pink shades, and this one is slightly more reddish than the other pinks, but they're all so beautiful and vibrant. And you also get 2 Barbie pink colors. So those are the colors included in the set. So now let's just go ahead and do the lip swatches. By the way, I just want to show you guys the packaging. It's very simple. The reason why I like this is because you get 12 colors. So if you're going somewhere and you can't decide what lipstick you're gonna wear, you can just pick 1 or 2 shades from this, like 1 nude shade and then 1 dark, and just throw it in your purse. It's just so small, it's going to fit anywhere. done with the lip swatches, and in the process of removing the liquid lipstick in between swatches is just the most difficult thing ever, but it's okay because at least I was able to share with you guys the lip swatches. I'm not even going to complain because I love all the colors that are in this set, but of course I need to show you guys my top favorite shades. So I just picked a few right here, families of colors in this collection. So you get a family of red, a family of pink, and a family of nudes. And from the family of nudes, my favorite shade would have to be this shade 09 Taupe. I really like this because it's just the perfect nude shade for me. Like a skin tone color, but like with a slight tint of pink or peach. I'm not really sure, but as you can see, it's not pink, it's not orange, it's just the perfect nude shade. And then my next favorite would have to be this one from the family of reds. I chose this one as my favorite. So out of all the three red shades, this is my favorite, 07 Giddy. I really like this because it's really wearable and it's kind of like a brick red. And I really like this because it reminds me a lot of my MAC retro matte lipstick in the shade Chili, and I gave that one to my grandmother and I don't have it right now, so this is a good alternative for that. Talking about the MAC lipstick called Chili, it's so weird because it's funny because my next favorite shade is called Chili, 08 Chili, and I really like this shade. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's the perfect bright cherry red color for me, and I really like this one because if I want to wear a vibrant and bright color, this is definitely a color that I should wear because it really complements my skin tone. And wearing a heavy makeup look right now and it still doesn't look like whoa scary, it doesn't overpower my makeup look, just really blends well with my skin tone. That is probably why it looks really nice, and this shade is just amazing. If I were to choose a top favorite, it would have to be this one. I really love this shade. And then my next favorite would have to be this one called Violet. I really like this one because it has glitters in it, so when you apply it on your lips, you'll definitely see some shimmers on your lips, and the shimmers in this are beautiful. It's like a magenta shimmers. When you blot your lips together like that, you will see glitters on top of your lips, which is so cute. So I like this one, number 10 Violet. And what's great about this is that it dries really fast. It dries like in 10 seconds, so that's really fast as compared to my other liquid lipsticks. And when it dries, it's completely matte, which is amazing. It doesn't have any shine to it or anything like that. It's just super matte. Sometimes I don't like super flat matte lipsticks, but when it comes to this one, because the formula is super thin, it doesn't make my lips look thick. So when it dries super matte, it still looks really nice. It's just powdery matte, and it really complements the whole makeup look. So I love that it's super small and travel friendly. I think it's just so cute. I mean, I'll never get over how cute these are. It doesn't have a strong scent and it doesn't have a strong taste as well. I hate liquid lipsticks that smell super strong, like chemical scent or like a very strong chocolate scent, like a chocolate scent that covered the chemical scent. So I hate those, and sometimes you can taste the liquid lipstick. This one, it doesn't really taste like anything. Like some of them kind of taste like perfumey, but like it goes away after like a few seconds. So yeah, that is it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love this 12. So I absolutely love this liquid lipstick. I think they're really worth the money. I'm so happy to test out many different colors, and yeah, so if you guys are interested, I'll use mini liquid lipsticks. I'll put the link in the description box down below so you guys can order. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!